Good day, listeners. Today, Group 3 is proudly presenting
The charm of San Pedro Laguna, past, present, and future. Meet our group mate, Liasmin Binitas, photographer, Yula Galbuena, spokesperson and scriptwriter, Abigail Villarama, photographer, Yuri Lagaya, graphic organizer, Aaron Epino, graphic organizer. The refinement of San Pedro Laguna, place in the San Pedro that will make say una sa Laguna. San Pedro is not only a place to live in but a place to make memories and to experience all life worth living. This city does not know any limitation for any structure to see.
as citizens living in San Pedro. We acknowledge every single structures that have been built through history. San Pedro Laguna does not only focuses on the tourist spots that it has built through the history, but also focuses on the community itself. They focuses on bayanihan, which is hospitality or helping each other.
Municipalities are highly appreciated, and San Pedro never miss as their city. Municipal is one of the most grand-looking among other political structure built in the Philippines.
As we can see in the picture, our municipal office is well structured, and we can see at the top office that it is shaped like an octagon with 8 corners, and in front of the municipal office is the Philippine flag that showcases our nationality and respects every citizen that lives there, and also tells a story about the history of our city.
San Pedro have multiple wet market, and the main one is the found near the plaza where the Church of San Pedro and San Pedro Studium and court is located.
What is a city without its market? Suki Market is the main market here in San Pedro, Laguna. It is one of the biggest structures that you can see near the plaza of San Pedro, Laguna, and its church.
As Christianism culture stay through generation, San Pedro adapted and has been home to multiple churches located on the plaza and each barangay. In the first picture, we are presented with the San Pedro Apostol Parish that is the center of the San Pedro. San Antonio de Padua Chapel is the church near own school here in San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna. We all know that Filipinos are known to enjoy their coffees. That's why over 20 plus cafe can be found here in our big city. You can see them just by looking left and right. Do you guys like coffee? Desserts? How about milk tea? Many Filipinos adore the taste of very beverage and foods served by cafes. So first is Cup of Joe, Santa Rosa, Laguna. JK Town Cafe, Ita Main Street, San Pedro, Laguna. Second is Pilshake Bistro, Pasita, San Pedro, Laguna. Out Cafe, Ita Main Street, San Pedro, Laguna. Third, Dunkin' Donuts, Pasita Main Street, San Pedro. K Coffee, Pasita, San Pedro, Laguna.
Each cafe and food stops will serve as our
Our
remembrance,
very own
as
school,
whenever we
Laguna
enter,
Northwestern
it
College.
will feel like a motherly warm hug.
Education is the root of every single succession in sight. Many successful and inspirational figures came from schools that originated here in San Pedro. First is the Laguna Northwestern College that has 3 branches, one in Santa Rosa, one in Siniloan, and the main in San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna. Our very own school is here in San Pedro, Laguna. Our very own school of LNC focuses on the academic condition of each student and even the teachers. Second is the Casa del Niño Montessori and Science High School that is located between the border of El Vinda and Pasita.
Casa del Niño Montessori and Science High School specializes in extracurricular activities. So if you enjoy being active like sports, arts, or even mind games, this school is perfect for you.
Third is the San Francisco de Sales School, or SF in short, that is near the Divine Mercy Hospital in El Vinda.
San Francisco de Sales School is a special school that focuses on sports, volleyball, badminton, basketball, and even more. This school highly anticipates students to be more active in their lifestyle, so they promote this kind of activities or sports.
Lastly, Liceo de San Pedro, stated directly near the Plaza of San Pedro. Cuyab Integrated National High School or CINHS. This is the main high school for students that live in Cuyab or near Cuyab. This is near the barangay hall of the Barangay Cuyab. This is a public school that helps students to associate with their co-students as well. Agnes Day School Systems Incorporated. This is a private school that guides students to a quiet and good life. Just like CINHS, this is located on Barangay Cuyab, merely meters away from CINHS. This school encourages students to be mathematically inquired and creates mathematical geniuses.
Each one of us wants to save our money and invest in our lifestyle in the future. These banks will help us make better decisions for ourselves and for our family as well.
These banks are Metro Bank, Banco de Oro or BDO, Philippine National Bank or PNB, Bank of the Philippine Islands or BPI. When it comes to fast food chains, San Pedro did not come to play as it includes Jollibee branches, McDonald's branches, Burger King, Panda Express, and even more. I know that each and every one of us are very well acknowledged about fast food chains as we go there with gatherings like family gatherings or even hanging out with friends.
McDonald's is an international food chain. It can be found almost everywhere in the world. We have our own branch of McDonald's. First is in San Pedro Plaza, second is in El Vinda, San Pedro Laguna, third is in Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. Kentucky Fried Chicken, just like McDonald's, is an international food chain that specializes with their gravy, mashed potatoes, and other side dishes. Now we're talking. Now we have Mang Inasal that originates here in the Philippines. Sino ba namang hindi magkakaroon ng pag-ibig dyan, no? Extra rice dyan, chicken oil, tas meron pang masarap ng chicken. Siyempre, masasarapan tayo dyan, lalo na yung halo-halo nila, di ba? Burger King originally came from US and is now stated here in the Philippines. Our very own branch is stated or located here at Pasita, San Pedro, Laguna. I'm pretty sure you guys know about Bonchon. Bonchon is a Korean-style restaurant that offers variations of flavors of chicken. Panda Express is a food chain that offers Chinese cuisine like orange chicken and chow mein. After we have discussed our international food chains here in San Pedro, Laguna, now let us focus on our local restaurants.
Tudings is a Filipino restaurant that had been serving the citizens the same delicious recipe since 1985. This is located at San Antonio, San Pedro Laguna and has other branches. Tudings is a remarkable restaurant that offers Filipinos a warm meal on the go. Mashang's Pansiteria started in the 1950s and is named after Lola Dalmatia. Located in San Pedro Laguna, exactly beside the Suki Market, it is currently run by Merlinda Lopez, the granddaughter of Lola Dalmatia. Mashang's signature dish, the pancit with banana ketchup, has made a name for San Pedro City as the home of Mashang's Pancit. Sambat is a local restaurant that offers tapsilog and other entries. It is located at the entrance to Barangay Poblacion Street. Kanin Bawang is a restaurant that serves tapsilog like Sambat and also serves ice cream as well as Korean ice cream. They have multiple branches in San Pedro, one on Mabini Street and one on the main street of Pasita. Myron's Gotohan is a top-notch spot to enjoy lugaw, goto, and arroz caldo to fill our hungry days. They are located at the right side of the plaza of San Pedro Laguna. Sigurado akong hindi lang ako ang may gusto ng pagkain nila dyan, no? Kasi hindi sila nagkulang. May tokwat baboy, may chicharon, may soft drinks, tapos meron pa silang lumpiang toge. O diba, sulit na sulit? Next are the mini markets. QG Happy Hypermarket. located at the left side of the plaza of San Pedro Laguna, where we can buy our necessities, hair accessories, makeup, home needs, kitchen tools, toys, whatever we need, they have. 2020 Mega Market or Blidas, this grocery store is located in between the Suki Market and the Jollibee San Pedro branch, where they have staff that happily greets their customers as they enter and buy their needs. Dali, a grocery market that is popular because of its cheap prices. These stores are located almost everywhere in San Pedro. Example, here in Barangay Cuyab. Anyong Casserole, a mini shop for buying the perfect kitchen tools. The store is situated in San Vicente, San Pedro Laguna. They also have an online store with the same name, Anyong Casserole, and they also offer kitchen tools like spatulas, tongs, and even vintage spoons and forks. Divisoria Price, a place to spend your life with cheap prices and varieties of things to buy. Located near HBC San Pedro Laguna. They have multiple things to buy there with cheap prices and such good qualities as well. Save More, a small market that is air-conditioned and includes multiple food stalls located near the highway of San Pedro Laguna. This hypermarket offers foods and also appliances and also includes the Japanese store inside. Since Valentine's is around the corner, bakeries are now back in store. Julie's Bake Shop, located in United San Pedro Laguna, that offers freshly baked pandesals and sugar-coated donuts. Second is the Lemon Square Bakery Treats, located in San Pedro Laguna beside Suki Market. They offer decadent cakes and pastries that will make your heart happy. Next is the Alvarez Bake Shop, located on the Plaza of San Pedro beside McDonald's. This is a historical bake shop that has witnessed every reconstruction, McDonald's, and even the Uncle John's. Goldilocks, located on Mabini Street, San Pedro Laguna. Just like Lemon Square, they offer decadent cakes, delicious pastries, and those very, very delicious polvorons. Last but definitely not the least is the Universal Bakery that has their own branch that is only located here in El Vinda, San Pedro Laguna, that offers creamy and cheesy ensaimadas. Next are pawn shops. Cebuana Lulier Pawn Shop near the streets of Poblacion, San Pedro Laguna, where we can enjoy our money's worth. Ano ba naman ang Pilipino kung wala silang food spots, di ba? Una is Freeze Point, a yogurt ice cream place located on the main street of Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. In this establishment, you can customize your own ice cream or yogurt cup. Next is Ihawan in El Vinda, San Pedro Laguna. This small shop offers ihaw like isaw, barbecue, and many more. 10 Yen, located on the second floor of Robinson's Galleria. This is a waffle pancake food that has stretchable cheese on the inside. I'm pretty sure everyone knows Samgyup. Meow, a samgyeopsal spot where there is a small gallery of photos of cats, 13th Street of Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. Mr. Softy, ice cream combinations sold at Santa Rosa, Laguna. These are soft-serve ice cream that have every specific flavors that you can think of. Mushroom Corner, Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. This is a small store that offers mushroom snacks with different flavors such as sour cream, barbecue, and even cheese. Anyong Chingu, located in Alvinda, San Pedro Laguna. This is a small store that offers tteokbokki or rice cakes, fish cakes, and other Korean foods. Cafe Pepita, Main Street of Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. This little food spot or cafe offers foods like fish burger or even like little sandwiches and pastas.
Shopwise, a mall found on the highway of Pasita, San Pedro Laguna. Robinson Galleria, most popular mall in all San Pedro Laguna. San Pedro City Police Station, Poblacion City of San Pedro Barangay Hall. Amante Hospital, Santo Niño, San Pedro, Laguna. Divine Mercy Hospital, Elvinda, San Pedro, Laguna. San Pedro Dental Clinic. Westlake Hospital. EBC Bite Center. South Fitness Gym. Ukay-Ukay. Mercury Drug. Municipal of Calamba, Laguna. Time passes within our beloved city, yet the memories and hard work of each Filipino is still live and goes on faster than time.
As San Pedro continues to be part of the Detroit of the Philippines, which is Laguna, it will continue to stand as strong as Una sa Laguna.
To ask you a question, do you love your city, the city of San Pedro?
Liasmin's answer is yes. It is because I appreciate most about of my city is its sense of community. People here are friendly, helpful, and always ready to lend a hand, especially during festivals. There is a strong sense of togetherness that makes my city feels like home. San Pedro is not only a city that connects NCR to Calabarzon, but is also the heart of Laguna, due to its hospitality and beauty.
Last question. Do you know what is San Pedro best known for?
Ang San Pedro Laguna ay kilala bilang Sampaguita Capital ng Pilipinas, tahanan ng Lolo Uwing Shrine at isang gateway sa Metro Manila. Pinagdiriwang din nito ang Sampaguita Festival at patuloy na umuunlad bilang lungsod.
This concludes our presentation as Group 3. Thank you!